Hello everyone, welcome back to Ballistic Advantage. This is the YouTube channel where you see Q&A, and this is in fact season 2. However, it's a little sad, okay? First and foremost, just want to kick off the season by letting everybody know Sarah is no longer with us, so you will not see her on Q&A any longer. So we may try to find a replacement, not sure, but until then, it's just going to be me. It's a little sad.
Just kidding!
Gotcha.
Just kidding! Oh, you're gonna find a replacement?
Well, I mean, I just ad-libbed and stuff.
You can't find a
I'm just
replacement
joking. Hey,
for me.
we're back.
Oh man, I should have had like a rap prepared.
No.
Like a.
Why are we going to start
We
this in the new season? Episode 1, you're talking about rapping again.
I know. Because I like to rap.
If you,
In my
all right.
dreams.
If it's
I like
Ice
to rap.
Cube, you can rap. How about that? Season 2, you learn my favorite Ice Cube song and rap it. I'm down with that.
I'll give it some thought. Hi guys, we're so happy to be back. We've missed you. Oh, how we've missed you. Oh man, it was a little bit of a break there. I didn't know it was gonna be that long.
Yeah, can I be honest?
Yeah.
I think I needed it.
You needed the break?
I needed the break, but
Sure,
we were
sure.
really busy too.
Yeah.
For sure. And we told you guys there might be a little time with that episode. But
Mm-hmm.
yeah, we're back. This
We
is
back.
happening. So
Yeah.
even though we're kind of in a temporary spot, we're calling this the BA pocket. Okay? We're in this little room. And but it's going to work until we get to the new facility and all that stuff. So
I like
working through our stuff. I do too. It's not bad.
I like it.
Simple. I think it's good.
Clint,
Yes, Sarah.
are you ready for questions?
I certainly am.
Awesome, because it just so happens.
Your question.
I have a question.
Okay.
Okay, so we have a question from our friend Joel Ramirez. Joel wants to know, can we anticipate a carbine length gas system in your 300 blackout barrels? I live in California and pistol/suppressed builds are not an option for me. At the end of the day, I would like to have a reliable subsonic blackout build. What would you recommend?
Okay. So just to answer the question, a 16-inch pistol gas Ballistic Advantage Modern Series 300 blackout barrel. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
The reason I say that is because the pistol gas system, I don't think has anything to do with an AR being a pistol in California. It's just the gas system. So it's not a brace option or anything like that. So I think there could be some confusion there. The other part of that is, if we go carbine on a 16-inch 300 blackout, your gas port size is going to be really big. It's a low-pressure round. Ammo has changed a little bit over the last few years, kind of, one of the reasons we've stepped back on that. But we've just found that a 16-inch pistol gas system is perfect for 300 blackout. So no to the carbine question, and what you should buy is a 16-inch pistol gas Ballistic Advantage 300 blackout from our Modern Series.
Nice.
Next question.
That was awesome. Thank you, Mr. Hansen.
You're welcome.
All right, we have a second question.
Okay.
This question is from our friend, Kevin Hill. RBA barrels checked for headspace before being shipped to the customer.
Yes. They have to be. And not just before they're shipped to you. In order to be completed, we have to headspace the barrel. We don't just headspace it. We're testing on the incrementals between the no-go and the go gauge. We also test it with a function gauge, okay? So before it gets index pinned, before it can even move through, completion and QC, it has to be headspace. So you'll see a little mark up near the extension of the barrel. That mark is placed on there when that happens, okay? So before it's even fully completed, that has been done. So it's a good question, but yeah, if there's any company that says no, you probably shouldn't buy a barrel from them.
Good advice.
Just saying.
Yeah.
Yeah, the headspace is kind of important.
Okay.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you, Mr. Hansen.
You're welcome.
I feel wiser. It's good to be back.
It is good to be back. That's for sure.
Thank you so much to our friends Joel and Kevin for your questions. We really appreciate you guys. We're so happy to be back. Did I say that? I think I said that like 10 times. We're super
Say it
excited.
again.
Super excited. If you like this video, and we know you did, give us a big thumbs up. Please subscribe to our channel and click that little bell icon so that you don't miss a single new video.
Mm-hmm.
And if you want to see Clint Hansen here answer one of your questions, make sure to comment below. We sure can't wait to see what you send us.
Yeah, like, even after dealing with my children's poop, or even, other babies or whatever, I've changed poop. There's difference. It can still stink and be but, like, other adult poop.
Oh.
Yeah.
That's a problem,
Something different.
Yeah, especially if you get, like, sprayed by it or something. Or even maybe...
What situation are you in where you're getting
we ever able to see the thing?
sprayed by an
Well,
adult?
I see the guys... That's a good question.
When have you been sprayed by